Hey guys, so Tecno has unveiled the Tecno POVA 6 Pro. If there's one thing I love about this device, it is its design. It looks real nice, guys. It looks futuristic, okay? And it is offered in comet green and meteorite gray colorways. And according to online sources, the device will be launching in March. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device weighs 198.3 grams, which means it's not very heavy, and it is 7.9mm thick, indicating that it's also a very thin smartphone. The device is rated IP53, which means it is dust and splash resistant. Now, do not confuse this IP rating with IP68. IP68 means that the device is water resistant, but this device should not be submerged in water. It's going to get damaged. It is only resistant to splashes. Okay, the phone has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED center aligned punch hole display, and it has a 120Hz refresh rate, which is very nice. The resolution is 1080 by 2436 pixels, and it has a peak brightness of about 1300 nits. And under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor. In case you guys are not aware of this processor, it's basically the 5G version of the Helio G99. It's very similar to the Helio G99, with just little changes here and there. I think one of the differences is the GPU that is paired with this processor. The Helio G99 is paired with the Mali G57MP2 GPU, while this processor is paired with the Mali G57MC2 GPU. And another difference is the clock speed, the frequency speed of the processor, which is about 2.4 GHz for this processor, and it's about 2.2 GHz for the Helio G99. So that's basically just the minor differences between the Helio G99 and the MediaTek Dimensity 6080. So in the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP wide-angle lens with phase detection autofocus, followed by a 2MP camera and an additional 0.08MP auxiliary lens, while the front-facing camera is 32MP. The device comes in two RAM variants. It has a 8GB RAM and 12GB RAM options, with both variants having the same 256GB internal storage. Finally, the device packs a 6000 mAh battery, which is quite large, and it supports 70 watts fast charging and 10 watts reverse wire charging. Other features include Bluetooth 5.3, it supports NFC, it has stereo speakers, which is very nice, GPS, FM radio, and others like that. So these are the top features of the Tecno POVA 6 Pro. Like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be launching in March. I don't know the exact day. Anyway, in my opinion, this device is very nice. It's a 5G smartphone with, you know, impressive specifications and features, and of course it's likely going to be sold for a very affordable price. But what are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.